Motorola E13 Pattern lock remove. Let's fix. Take your phone. You don't know your pattern lock. Don't worry. Let's fix the problem. First, turn off your phone. Press the up volume button and power button. If a pop-up appears on the Android phone, press the volume up button and the power button again. No recovery mode on. Again, select the factory data reset. Now select the factory reset. Now reboot your system. Successfully work completed. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.